Hi, this is Eric Keller for the Gnomon Workshop. I'm excited to welcome you to my latest training series, Introduction to Maya 2026. I've been using Maya professionally since 1998, and over the past few decades I've enjoyed watching it evolve into the industry standard for modeling, animation, and visual effects. I've created many series for the Gnomon Workshop, and I've been an instructor at the Gnomon School of Visual Effects in Hollywood, California. Whether you're new to the art of 3D computer graphics or you are an experienced professional learning Maya for the first time, I believe you will enjoy the fact that I made each lesson concise and practical. The topics in Volume 1 focus primarily on the Maya interface itself. Navigation, preferences, viewport options, blue pencil, the selection of manipulation tools, the outliner, attribute editor, and channel box, and display layers are all demonstrated using custom assets that I created especially for this series. You can download the project files and follow along as I guide you through Maya 2026. I will offer my own thoughts on which parts of Maya you should focus on as a beginner, as well as tips on how to streamline your workflow and build efficient habits. Upon completion of the videos in this volume, you will be comfortable navigating Maya, and you'll have a solid understanding of how to build your scenes using the editors. This will prepare you for Volumes 2 and 3, which dig deeper into Maya's robust toolset. I hope you enjoy the series, and I wish you success as you start your journey towards becoming a Maya artist.